Welcome back. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to connect your domain to ActiveCampaign, and if you'd like to follow along, I'll leave a link down below in the description. You can click it to try ActiveCampaign for free or use it to log in easily. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and navigate to your dashboard. From here, head to the settings section. You can find this by clicking on your profile icon in the lower left corner of the screen. In the settings menu, select domains from the list. This is where you'll manage all the domains associated with your ActiveCampaign account. Next, you'll need to verify your domain. ActiveCampaign will provide you with DNS records that you need to add to your domain's DNS settings and a CNAME record for tracking purposes. To do this, log into your domain registrar's website. This is where you manage your domain settings. Find the DNS management section. Add your address and CNAME records provided by ActiveCampaign. Be sure to enter them exactly as shown to avoid any issues with verification. Save your changes and return to ActiveCampaign. Once you've added the DNS records, go back to the ActiveCampaign dashboard and click the Verify button. After successful verification, your domain will be connected to ActiveCampaign. That's it. You've successfully connected your domain to ActiveCampaign. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.